sorry. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Let me get over my friends.
Remember that one episode where we're flashing fireworks?
No. Oh, okay. I don't know why I just thought of that right now.
Why not?
Oh my god, that's cool. That is so
I like how it like illuminates the kayakers and shit.
insane. No, insane. Oh my. That is an awesome view, dude.
Right
What?
below it, too.
That's.
I've had fireworks where views right above these, so I got to lay down. That's really fun.
That is so wow.
Boom.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Oh, how they perched up, yes, but where they pick it up.
Whoa.
At the same time.
Oh wow, there was another one. Third. Oh. Yeah, there it is. Oh. Oh, that was a nice.
Yeah, that was a crisp boom.
Nice.
Woo! Woo! Nice. I know.
Who has the song right now?
Nice.
Had you hide away for so long, we grew.
Boom.
Look around, see what everybody. Look, it's supposed to be. Look around.
That's one of my favorites.
Oh,
Nice. You know, I love which one as it goes boom. That you just feels. Yeah.
takes me away to the country. Oh wow.
Yeah.
That's a pretty one right there. Wow.
Nice. Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool.
This is America. Yeah.
So pretty. Wow.
Yeah.
I really like these ones because like they're so like satisfying.
Yeah.
Oh, God. It's unfortunate. I got a good chunk of it. That's cool.
Eric, I'll cover.
Nah, you're good.
I'll cover the rest of the pictures for you.
I was recording that.
Sick.
Yeah, I took some pictures. I'm on like 7 minutes of it. Like video.
All right, I'm going away. I'm just gonna watch.
Ooh, fun.
I don't want this to good stuff.
I love this song. Drops of Jupiter by Train.
Yeah.
So every angle it looks like this.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Oh wow, that was a good one.
Yeah.
Pop.
Snap.
Oh,
Crackle. And
oh, that's
pop.
such a cool effect.
Yeah.
That's so. I love when it explodes. You don't see anything explode.
Yeah, right. Yeah. It's because like sound travels like differently.
That's how I thought you were talking about.
No, I know what you're talking about though. I do know what you're talking
Bro,
about.
put your arm down. I think you would see.
Whoa. I feel like.
You see that?
That was a little low, yeah.
Yeah.